Ex-Lawmaker Adeyeye, a former senator representing Osun Central, claimed every ruling party in Nigeria gets money from profiteers from rental economy when it comes to election. Speaking on Politics Today, a program on Channels Television, Adeyeye said that in the name of their company, they get foreign exchanges. They go to Sabo, Sheraton Hotel, to sell foreign exchange to merchants and tailor back their profit to the ruling party. The former senator said PDP knows that it happens to them and the APC can't deny it either. He claimed businessmen in the private sector are often used to recycle money, and part of the recycling is from the central bank.
Every ruling party in this country, gets money from these profiteers from the rental economy when it comes to election. How do they get it? I will expose it. In the name of their company, they get foreign exchange. They go back to Sabo or to Sheraton Hotel to sell those foreign exchange to merchants of foreign bureau, and they pile back the profit, not to themselves, but to the ruling party. PDP knows it happens to them. APC will not deny that it happens to them.
So your party too played that role?
My friend, you listen to me. You just want me to incriminate myself. I'm a member of the APC. I'm still a member of the APC. I'm not one to run away because there's crisis. But the truth is, if we are going to redeem this country, we must say the truth. And the truth is, businessmen in the private sector are often used to recycle money, and part of the recycling is from the central bank.
In the same vein, he claimed Emefiele came to his house and said they were after him.
By the way, Emefiele came to my house.
The former CBN governor?
Yes. I said, how did you know my house? He said it was sent to me by Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I said, you are lying. Because the last time Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu visited me, I was in Akko Legislative Quarters. He has not been to this place. How will he send you to me that you will know this place? And he said, well, if I want to get you, all I need to get is get Rauf. I said, okay, hold on. So I called Rauf. I said, look, this man is here. Rauf said, yes, please attend to him. Give him everything he wants. I was instrumental to the confirmation of Emefiele as the chairman, as the governor of Central Bank. And guess what? Because at that time, there were enough votes to kill his nomination. If I tell you the who is who of the Nigerian Senate who are opposed to Emefiele, you'll be shocked. But we got him confirmed. It wasn't easy. We got him confirmed. When Buhari now became president, we were quartered in Hilton Hotel. Again, I don't know how he knew my room. Emefiele came to my room. He was shaking like jellyfish. I said, what's wrong? He said, Egbon, they are after me. Who are after you? He mentioned them. And he mentioned how much he had given these people who were after him. So I said, so why are you telling me? Go and tell the police. He said, I cannot tell the police. I said, if you cannot tell the police, it means you have done something wrong. If they're after you, as governor of Central Bank, the Nigerian police owes you a duty to protect you. If they are after you, what will I do to protect you? He said, I just want you to know in case anything happens to me. I said, you're a fool. You mustn't let anything happen to you. You must tell, and I will tell. He said, don't tell. That evening, I went to Rauf, and I told Rauf. Rauf said, This is not what I can handle. You must go to Asiwaju. I said, no. I don't want to go to Asiwaju. If Asiwaju gets angry and calls a press conference, the whole thing will blow. He said, no. I said, look, I don't want to get into it. If anything happens, Asiwaju has resources to protect himself. I'm an orphan. I don't have a father. I don't have a mother. I don't want anything wrong will happen to me. Anyway, Asiwaju said, in that case, let's go and tell Baba Kande. So we went to Baba Kande. I went to Baba Kande. Baba Kande said, this is too much. We must tell Asiwaju. So I said, okay. Before we tell Asiwaju, let's get him not to be angry. This thing doesn't require gra. Otherwise, they might kill Emefiele.
Who are those after him?
I cannot.
Are they politicians?
3 of them are politicians, yes.
They were after him. Were they in government at the time?
My friend, they were politicians and they were extorting him. You've not heard of the story. So we decided to go and tell Buhari. It was the very weekend that Buhari was sworn into office. So Chief Akande and I went to Buhari. We got there, we met the governor of Naija State. His first day in office, he hadn't moved to the villa at that time. He was still in that holding place. I was the first person that spoke to Buhari when he resumed duty as president. And I told him the story. He said, how many people had we told? We didn't tell him that we had told Asiwaju and that we had told Rauf. I said, look, this is the only man I've told.
This was in 2015?
Yes. I said 2 days after I became president. We saw him 2 days previously at the Eagle Square. 2 days was this. The following day were all kind of parties and receptions.
It was May 31.
Yes. So we went to him. So he said, okay, I'm asking you one favor. Don't tell anybody. And we promise we won't tell anybody. We left him to go out. And they allowed Chief Akande to pass. And they said, I cannot go. I said, why couldn't I go? He said, the president wants to see me again. Hey. I said, I don't enter trouble. I went back to the president. What have I done that you allowed Chief Akande to go and you didn't allow me to go? And he said, you came and told me this story. I said, yes. He then said, what did I tell you? I said, you told me and Chief Akande not to tell anybody. He said, good, you remember, you can go. I said, no, I'm not going. What you are saying by implication is that if this story broke out, you will hold me responsible. Abba, that's not fair. And he said, let me tell you why. I believe the story would not leak from Chief Akande. That's what he told me. He said, because Chief Akande had been governor. He had been deputy governor. He had been secretary to government. Chief Akande knows how to hold state secrets. He said, you're a top professor. He said, I don't want this thing to leak. Well, the story never leaked from me. Now I'm telling the whole world. But 1 year went, nothing happened to these people. 2 years went, nothing happened to these people. 3 years went, nothing happened to these people. In fact, one of them his profile was rising in the polity. So one day I went to him as his own re-election was coming. I booked an appointment to see him. And I saw him and I said, look, Baba Daura, there's something I don't understand about you. On the first day you started this job.
While this revelation has ignited debates online and questions lingers in the minds of Nigerians, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos, and share you drop your opinion in the comment box section below. And keep watching NaijaNews TV.